Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Just Jamie podcast. And on today's episode, we are going to finish up packing for that trip up to New Jersey to see family and friends, and then out to Vegas for a quick conference for work, and then back home to Virginia. So I figured since I did hair and makeup for my episode with Timmy from Sean's Bar, I might as well keep it rolling and actually put on another outfit. Anywho. So I'm going to wear this outfit, which is just a cute pair of shorts. I think I can go. Yep. So cute pair of shorts. They've got kind of a scalloped edge, and this is a white scuba top. I actually wore it in another episode. I had it in blue. I bought it in a whole bunch of different colors because it's a little dressy, but also looks cute with shorts. So this is going to be one of my outfits. I'm going to do something with mom, my sister, and my nieces while I'm up there. So I might need something, casual, but almost a little dressy. But I'm also going to grab this tank top, which matches the shorts perfectly. And I'm going to bring this to Vegas probably as my travel home outfit. I could not get a direct flight, so I'm going to leave something at like 1 o'clock in the afternoon in Vegas, and I will not get home until like 11 o'clock at night. So I want to be super comfy. So I'm going to bring these shorts with me and have this as my travel home outfit, as well as my sort of Saturday play outfit up in New Jersey. And I'm also going to bring, if it's a me episode, it has to be Stan Smith's. So I bought a new pair, but I think these still have some life in them. These are going to be my airport shoes, my Saturday shoes, just kind of running around New Jersey if we're not doing anything super, dressy or anything like that. So these are going to be my trusty friends out in Vegas as well. And then on Sunday, we are going to see our friends John and Anna, and we're probably going to go out somewhere on the Hudson and be kind of outside. And I am going to wear a new dress, just kind of it's a long maxi dress. I thought it was such a beautiful pattern. You will not believe it. This is from Shein, and I'll link it if I can, but it's just such a really beautiful dress. And the pattern, I was kind of quite smitten with it. So I'm going to wear this, and then I'm going to bring a pair of Cole Haan heels. These are uber comfortable, and they're so old. They were when Cole Haan was owned by Nike. So you can see the Nike Air. So I can kind of walk forever in these. So I thought that would be really pretty. And these shoes will also come to Vegas with me. So I thought that would be great. And then I'm also going to bring these flat sandals. I wore the brown ones in Ireland, and I walked 4 miles in them. So in case I need to switch if we're doing a lot of walking and I don't want to wear the heels, I'll have a plan B. And then the last pair of shoes I'm bringing besides my running shoes are super flat, very, 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 very comfortable neutral sandals that'll either go with this outfit or for dinner out in Vegas. And I'll get to that. In a minute. I apologize if this is all choppy. Apparently, we're having a storm, so I don't know if that's kind of messing with the Wi-Fi, so it keeps cutting out. So this will be my practice with editing on Riverside? Riverside, that's what I'm using. Anywho, so for day 1 of the convention, I have to iron it yet, but I bought a really beautiful suit from Banana Republic. I think it's Banana Republic Factory. It's a blue kind of linen houndstooth, herringbone, geez, Jamie, suit. And it has the ruched up sleeves. And I just thought it was the prettiest thing. And I'll try on the jacket here. I don't love kind of the high neck with this. That's not my style. It's not my style to do the high neck, but I really loved this pattern. And I think it would look really cute with these shorts as well. So I thought this was a really cute blazer, but there's more. I bought the waistcoat / vest that goes with it. And so it's going to be a 3-piece suit, but instead of it being traditional pantsuit or a skirt, it's a pair of shorts. Same pattern, that herringbone. And yes, they have pockets. I got this in a medium. I think the vest is a medium. And the jacket's probably a large, I think, or maybe a medium. And then I'm going to bring a camisole with me just in case something doesn't look right or too hot or I need to lay or something. So I thought that would be really cute. I may have to actually wear this on the day that I'm flying out to Vegas, because even though I'm leaving uber early, if there is so much as one delay, I'm going to have to go right to the conference. So I think this will be very comfortable. Good morning. We are back. Sorry that yesterday's recording got a little kind of screwed up there. So Hurricane Erin, and I don't mean my niece, was apparently wreaking some sort of havoc. That Wi-Fi was a mess, and I had actually recorded with Timmy from Sean's Bar, and even though I was at the studio and they have all the technology, we had to kind of get creative, and there's a bit of an echo with that one, although it's going to be a great listen. I figured I would put a pin in yesterday's recording and get back to it when technology wanted to cooperate. So anyway, different outfit, but same day. Just want to finish the video before I have to pack, and I just decided to put on that dress. Sorry, kind of a silly way to do this. We do this, yeah. So just a really pretty summer dress. And again, I'll wear this out with friends and just can eat in it. Lots of room to fill it up. Anywho, so this is what I'm going to be wearing while we finish the video. And I had left off with, I think, day 2 of the conference. And I am torn between a couple different dresses. One is an iCat dress, and this is just like the white slip dress that goes underneath it. So it's an iCat dress that you can roll up the sleeves. I've got another sort of long iCat looking dress. This one is just to the knee. This patterned one is kind of a maxi dress. And then this one is from Banana Republic, and it's just to the knee in a nice orange color. So I will bring one of these 3 numbers. And then I am supposed to, and there's my little Plum. She's helping me with today's video. And then I'm supposed to go to dinner with a colleague, friend of mine. She just started. And so she's never been to Vegas. So even though where we're staying is quite a bit off the strip, it's a gorgeous resort, but where we're staying is off, I figure we'll Uber down to the strip. So I'm going to bring a blazer just in case, because when you're in and out of those casinos and restaurants, the AC is kicking and it might get a little bit chillers. But I've got a tank top. This is from J. Crew, and it's just what it looks like. It's navy blue and cream stripe, and it's got a sequin, and I love it has the little bra strap things that you can kind of just pin it down, which is nice. So I was going to wear this because when you're going to Vegas, you bring out some sequins. Am I right? And then just a quick pair of chino navy blue shorts from Ann Taylor. So just kind of nice and simple. Blazer with the tank top and the shorts. I thought that would look really cute. And then last but not least, I am going to pack just a little bit of jewelry. So I'm going to bring my David Yurman bracelet and my Michelle watch. And I figure, pardon my nails, they're a hot mess. But I figure since I've got a bit of a blue story going on, I would bring some of those accessories. And then I'm just going to throw in some tank tops for running and my running shoes because my flight out is until the afternoon on Friday, and I'm going to have some time to go to the gym. So I figure I'd get a good workout because, like I said, my flight home that day is going to be kind of a doozy. So I'd rather get some steps in, and that's it. So I apologize for the kind of break in the action there, but that is what I'm going to be bringing for the time up in New Jersey and then the time in Vegas and back. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of inspo. And like I said, just something kind of roomy like this. It can look sort of, sexy summer dress if you want it to, or it can just be kind of a cover up. I love things that can kind of do double duty, and something with this bold a pattern, but it's very classic. It could, kind of reminiscent of a beautiful silk scarf. So I thought that was pretty, and it's low, but not too low. And the adjustable straps makes it super easy to wear. And then, that's what we've got. So thanks again. And like I said, look forward to the episode airing in our travel series with Timmy from Sean's Bar. And again, there's a little bit of an echo, but I think it is still a phenomenal listen. He's such a great guy. And we just have to roll with the technological punches, right? So you guys want authenticity, and that's what we're going to give you.